Weekly horoscope 12th July till 18th July 2021 for all of you. And this particular prediction is based on your moon sign. You can take this according to your ascendant, according to your Lagna sign for all of you. Aries brief weekly forecast. In this coming week, I said a lot of your problem will be resolved, done and dusted. You'll be back on progression, you'll be back on track. There'll be fruitless running around, expenditure, sometime high expenditure. Sometime you'll be thinking about to get a change of place regarding your residence or business or job, both. Your expenditure can be sky high. Refrain from over-aggressive approach, foul temper, unnecessary hassle. Try not to be hasty, otherwise you'll end up ruining something important. You'll face tedious situations, complicated situations. You have to deal with those kind of scenario situations. More you become focused, determined, disciplined, then more you'll be able to handle the complicated situation in your favor. Be prepared for new project, new venture, new idea, new planning, buying and selling. Stand by. In this coming week, due to Ketu's position in 8th house, you have to look after your marriage, you look after your health. Rahu's position in 2nd house, look after your relationship, your marriage, your romantic relationship. Look after your flow of income. Look after your professional and business dealing and personal dealings. Mars, Venus, Moon in 4th house. Beware of any kind of a scandal or living conflict in your personal life or professional life. Saturn position in 10th house. Watch you for professional decision, financial decision. Aries, you might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week. Moon's transit for the whole, in the complete analysis of the whole week, you find a Moon's transit. That will define you, your vision in the coming week, your decisions, your choices, your health, harmony, happiness. Extensive weekly horoscope report define you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of need, what precautions you must implement in your discipline to save your skin, what sacred chanting you should do in this coming week to achieve your supremacy. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report. Achieve your best.